not even on the trail, just on the highway. I think it should be doing that. That is way too much movement. So, good thing I got all my stuff with me. So we'll be replacing this hub to get home. I carry a spare hub with me at all times. Also, I carry my tools here at all times and this Badlands jack. So we're just gonna switch out this bad hub here. 17 bolts to remove the brake caliper. Make sure you hold it up because you don't want to bend your line there for your brakes. As you can tell here, this is your hub assembly, and it's just loose there, and you can see where it broke. Just so we can do a one-to-one, this is the one that came off. You see where the seals broke at, and also you see where the metal is coming off, caused all that rust. And this is the new one. I forgot the brand, I bought these a while back ago, but no rust obviously, still intact. We're gonna put this on and see if that fixed the problem. So this is with the hub off. As you can see, here's all this dirt and rust, what it looks like here. That's your speed sensor. That's your speed sensor. This is all this rust and dirt and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that speed sensor, clean out this inside as good as I can, and then mount the other hub assembly. I cleaned it out the best that I could without any solvent. That is the speed sensor now. See how clean it is? Looking good with no rust. I wish I had some anti-seize so I can put around this mating surface here, but I don't believe I have any with me. Put it on as normal and get everything back down to specs. All right, I hit it with about 200 just to get it down, make sure it's not moving. I'm gonna go ahead and stop that from spinning and then torque it down the rest. All right, that's torqued down. Notice that there is no movement in this bad boy. It's just a solid piece now. So hopefully we should be good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and mount everything back up. Of course, add on the castle nut there and the pin, and gonna hit the road. All right, got the brake caliper back on. Everything's looking good. Gone. You see, no longer wobbling. We're good on this end. We're about to drop it down. Check torque specs again, then hit the road. Remind me of Colorado all over again. Thanks, Jason.